Is your car bouncing more than usual on uneven roads? This could be a sign that your struts are wearing out. Struts are a vital part of your vehicle's suspension system, designed to support the car's weight and absorb shocks when driving over bumpy roads. The most common type is the McPherson strut, which combines a shock absorber and a coil spring into a single unit. Struts are typically located in the front suspension since they're connected to the steering system, but some vehicles also have them in the rear. Let's look at the top 5 symptoms of failing struts. First is excessive bouncing. A bouncy ride is one of the first signs of faulty struts. If the struts are worn out, the springs won't absorb shocks effectively, causing the car to bounce excessively, especially on uneven surfaces or bumps. Second is uneven tire wear. Worn struts can cause your tires to bounce excessively as they rotate, leading to uneven wear. This is often called tire cupping. To check for this, run your handle on the tire tread if you feel high and low spots. It may be time to inspect your struts. Third is unusual noises. Faulty struts can produce noticeable noises, clunking sounds when turning the steering wheel, often caused by loose strut mounts, banging noises when driving over bumps due to worn-out struts. Fourth is hydraulic oil leaks. Struts rely on hydraulic oil to function. If the seal inside the strut fails, oil can leak, causing the strut to lose its ability to dampen shocks. Look for oil dripping around the strut area as a warning sign. And the last is diving forward when braking. When struts wear out, the springs become easier to compress. This may cause the front of your car to dive forward and the rear to lift slightly when braking. If you replace your struts, always get a wheel alignment afterward. Proper alignment ensures smooth handling and prevents uneven tire wear. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.